What's up guys, welcome to day 6 of the NFT website challenge. In today's video we're going to be deploying the project live using netlify.com, which is the free hosting platform we'll be using for this tutorial. Now netlify is a free hosting platform where you don't actually have to pay for any domain and you don't have to pay for hosting. You can simply deploy your project here manually, or you deploy your project via GitHub and it's going to be online and ready to be used online also. So we're going to be using netlify. So if you don't have a netlify account, you can simply sign up, but I already have my account, so I'm just going to log in and I'll be back with you. Okay, so now I've logged in to my account, and to deploy the project, here are some of the projects I've actually deployed. Now to deploy the project, you simply have to go to sites, and right here you can see add new site, or you can manually deploy it right here by dragging the folder. So I'm just going to go to my files right here, and for deploying projects, whenever you want to deploy a project, you must make sure that the home page is index.html, and the CSS, the first CSS is going to be style.css. So always make sure you have index.html and style.css. So go right here and drag this to this section. Yeah, so you can see right now it's actually uploading the site. And okay, so you said site has not been deployed yet, so just give it some time and sites will be deployed. So now it actually depends on the size of your website. The time it takes to deploy depends on the size of your folder or the website. If you have so many videos and images, it's going to take longer to load, while if you have just few images, it's going to take just probably max of 30 seconds to deploy. Okay, so now it has been deployed, and obviously we don't want to have this domain name. So to change this, you just have to go to domain settings. So click domain settings and just scroll down to this section where it says custom domain. And if you would like to add your own custom domain which you paid for, you can simply click on add custom domain. But since we don't have a custom domain, we just want to edit the site name, and by default it's going to have .netlify.app on the domain name. So this is what we have. This is what we can change. We can change the .netlify.app because we're using the free version of Netlify. If you would like to get a domain, you can simply add your custom domain. If you already have a domain, you can simply add the domain you have already. So I'm just going to use NFT emoji, and I'm going to save this, and it should be okay. So now when we click on this link right now, NFT emoji, this site should load, and now you can see the site is online and ready to be used online. So you can see now the site is fully deployed, has been fully deployed with everything working perfectly fine. You can see all the things we've been working on right here, and let's click on next page. It should lead us to the download page. So here you can see the download page. Let's just wait for the image to load right here. So the image is downloading, and you can see the download page also. Now this website is fully responsive. You can share the link with your friends. If you'd like to host your own project, just follow the same pattern which I used for this video. And yeah, so that's all about the NFT website challenge. I hope you enjoyed the journey. I hope you learned a lot from this challenge: how to list your NFT, how to make an animated slider, how to deploy a project live, how to make your website completely responsive. We covered every single thing, every single topic right here in this NFC challenge. So that'll be all for this video, guys. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.